Learn how to make a natural rose sandalwood perfume oil using just 3 ingredients. Dry roast 1 cup of dried rose petals in a pan on low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Stir gently until the petals are crisp and aromatic. Next, add 1 cup of almond oil and 1 tablespoon of sandalwood powder to the same pan. Sandalwood powder can be bought in any Indian store or on Amazon. It is aromatic. Stir everything together. Keep the heat very low and let it heat for 10 minutes. Don't let it boil. Turn off the heat and cover the mixture. Let it sit overnight so the scent deepens naturally. In the morning, strain the oil into a clean mason jar or glass bottle. Your natural perfume oil is ready. General tips: keep the heat very low to prevent oil from splattering. Alternatively, use double boiler method to heat oil, or use an oil splatter cover when heating oil. As with any other product, do a skin test before you apply. Sandalwood has a strong fragrance. If you are sensitive to sandalwood smell or don't have sandalwood powder, skip sandalwood and increase the quantity of rose petals. Link to sandalwood powder can be found in description. Alternatively, you can buy it from any Indian grocery store. Dab it on your wrists, neck, or even your hair ends. It smells warm, floral, and completely chemical-free. Store it in a cool, dark place. It should last for months. Try it and let nature be your scent. Subscribe or follow for more videos.